Hi friends, welcome back to Jingjang Jinsy vlog, and this will be my first vlog in English. Birthdays are always filled with fun, joy and happiness. So I'm stepping into 40s and I thought of giving you all a special surprise for my birthday. So this vlog is very special to me because I'm dedicating this vlog only to my classmates and my hostel mates during my college days, 1999 to 2004, MS Ramaya College, Bengaluru. Before going to the surprise, I would like to give a brief introduction about my college. MS Ramaya College is mainly for medicine, engineering, etc. And while I was studying there, even they have many other branches like MBA, PGDBA, LLB, etc. So I was a law student over there. And while I was studying in Bangalore, this particular college, it was under the Bangalore University and now it is a deemed university. So I really enjoyed my college days during 1999 to 2004, and I also had a good, really close, thick friends during my college days, and I thought of giving you a special surprise to all my college mates. Now you all must be wondering what is it all about. Yes, it's nothing else than the beautiful cards given by you all before 20 years. So let me introduce all those beautiful old cards to you. I still have all those beautiful cards, and I really miss you all as well as love you all. And let me start with the cards. Before unboxing the lovely cards, can you imagine this lovely Archie's cover before 20 years? I still have this, and it's clearly written Brigade Road, Bengaluru, and Archie's Gallery, etc. So I still have all those beautiful memories with me, and let me start with my bestie. So this beautiful card given by Rashmi Menon, my close friend. You can easily see this dates written here, 12/4/2000, and this 2000 is almost faded. Even though the letters are faded, our friendship is still strong and colorful. This card is given by Erin Chechi. She is working in Lissy Hospital now. She was studying MBBS over there. Well, this small card is gifted by the Trimurtis of our college, also my juniors. It's written Anjali, Richa and Anshu. Again, this is a special gift from Novi, and you must be knowing it. Even I know, you know. So I'll not say the other name. This beautiful card given by Usha Chechi. She was my super senior. Also, she was from BDS background. I had a lots and lots of Mallu friends in Ramaya. This card is given by Zoromi. She was my hostel mate, BTech student, as well as she was from northeast part. This card is given by Jayda. It's written Jayda and Muffin. I still remember those days, like when she lost her muffin. She was not having meals for few days. She was keep on crying, and all those all sweet memories. I almost have all the 5 years cards with me, but for the time convenience, I am showing only one card karke. And this small card is from Fincy. She was my immediate senior. This magical card is from Swati Didi and Dhanlakshmi Akka. She used to really support me in my college days, and I really love her, and I have no idea about like where is she now and what she is doing and all. If you guys have any idea, please DM. This is from my beautiful Suhida. She is happily settled in Australia. Again, this is from Lindsay Chechi. She was from pharmacy background. Now she is in Dubai. This is from the beautiful Sherin. Recently we met. I have shared the pics in Facebook also, and this is from her. This card is again given by Akshat. He is practicing in Supreme Court. This is the beautiful card from Parnarupa Sarkar. She is from Kolkata, and earlier days I was not close to her, but by the end of 4th year and 5th year I was very close to her, and I really used to admire her hair. She's got a long, beautiful, lengthy hair. So she is also my favorite. Again, this card is from Mr. Gagan Ganapati, the most handsome guy in our class. This beautiful pink card is given by my Pav Raji Chechi. I really love her, and she is practicing in Kottayam. She's got her own clinic. She is a dentist. This card is from Ajita Chechi. She is also from pharmacy background. So this beautiful card given by Jebi Mehtar. I used to call her Jebi Chechi. I was very close to her during my college days, and the most unexpected part is I never studied from textbooks. I always used to take notes from her and I studied. So nowadays she is really busy with politics, even though we are staying in the same city, Aluva. I never used to meet her. This card is from the stylish Pooja. So this card is given by Darshan, who recently joined in our class but was very close to him. This card is given by Esther, Derry's close friend. I still remember those two friends, Akru and Esther. But I was really searching for your card, Derry. I couldn't find out, but I know the only girl, one and only girl who still send me a good morning message is only Derry Hun, and I always love you, Derry. So this card is again from Aarti, the beautiful Kannadagi. Again, this beautiful card is from Archana. I used to wonder, even though I was not close to her, not close to most of our classmates, she used to give us a beautiful bouquets and valid gifts and lots of gifts, expensive bouquets and all. I used to wonder why this girl is giving me costly gifts even though I'm not close to her. So this is Archana. This card is from Anuradha. We used to call her Anudhi. She was my senior. Last but not least, this card is from Elsa and Shabna. They were my juniors. So before concluding the session, I really don't have any idea about one of my classmates, that is Priyanka Mukherjee. No idea. We used to be very close to her. We used to make fun of her and I really miss her. I have no idea where is she now. And apart from all the other classmates, college mates, everything, I know somewhat. Like, even if I don't know anything, I can always ask Derry. Derry is answerable for all my questions. Like, Acha, Derry, where is Harshan now? Okay, he is doing so and so. And where is Mithun? He is in Dubai. So she used to give me all the updates during the class. So this was a special video dedicated for my classmates. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.